got probably 10 or 15 minutes of driving and see what happens. Yeah, one of the things I find really hard when it's windy is it seems to just affect the car so much. Yeah, I was hoping after these last few days of wind we'd have some better dunes, but it seems like everything's even flatter than it's been. See if I can hit this with some speed, see what happens. Oh, bad. That got so much distance. Wow. Oh dear. I might find my dog bones from my crate in here. It's the same exact crash that happened pretty much last time. Wow, that was a low one. Got a Hobby King, one of those Panther 6S batteries. Oh, did it again. Man, it's going some crazy distance. Wish I could have landed that. That was an awesome jump. These landings are shocking, so I've got to try and get one. Love it. Here we go, come on. Another miss. Wow, oh man. Oh, this might be a short video. Oh man. Alright, where's this jump? Put on my aim. Well, I'm going to count that as a land. Wasn't pretty. Just gonna take a deep breath, try and hit this jump properly. That's better. What a waste of a run up. Wants to constantly turn the wrong way. Wow, did it. Alright, all or nothing. Oh, alright, this is just silly now. Man. That is a long way. That is super high. Lovely. Oh man. Yep, landed it for sure. That was the wrong decision. Yeah, these Minokawas, they're just great on the sand. Like they still spin up like they do on other surfaces, but they don't dig down into the sand and bog it. The car kind of just floats across the top. I've been running these tyres on the Creighton and this Talion for ages now, and they hold up really well. I think they're good. Just except for the wheels, they're actually the problem, not the tyres. Well guys, there we go, LBC. Couldn't happen soon enough, I'm sure, for the car, but what a fun afternoon bash. Didn't land them all, definitely a low percentage landing today, but had some fun anyway. And once again, this Talion proves to be my favourite car. I know Bickety Bam says he loves them all, but this is definitely my favourite. The Creighton's great, but there's just something special about the Talion. I just think so agile, so fast, just a brilliant fun car, super tough. Anyway, carry on a bit. Well everyone, just did a quick inspection on the car. And apart from just that busted knuckle which was already broken, the car held up really well tonight. There's a few bent shafts, but that's probably not just from tonight. And yeah, but once again this Talion shows how tough it is. Anyway, thanks for watching guys.